HARTIng offers several solutions that are very widely adopted and utilized within the robotics market space. One of those would be our HARFlex connector, which is a high-density 1.27 millimeter pitch board connector that really checks all the boxes. It checks the density concerns, size and weight, but also robustness. So it has a unique through-hole feature for a reflow soldered board connector. Makes it much more robust than the standard solution. It's designed and tested for real applications, for example. Another connector that's widely utilized in these types of applications is our IX industrial connector. So this is a communications product, think Ethernet communication, but it is roughly 75% the size of an RJ45. Why it's important, we talked about space, size, density, all that's key. And so now we're reducing the weight, we're extending the battery life of the robot via this connector. Another product that's of interest in this space is our T1 connector, single pair Ethernet connector, which by using a single pair Ethernet connection instead of the traditional 8-wire pair, we're drastically reducing the size and weight of the connector, but also the cabling. We haven't spoken much about cabling, but cabling is a major contributor to the weight of these devices. And so if we can reduce the size of that cable, still designed to work in an industrial space, then we're really providing an advantage there. We also do see some of our more traditional robotic connectors, typically our modular series of products that combine the power, the control signal, potentially the communication into one connector. A couple examples of that would be our HAN 3.8 connector, which is a small form factor version of kind of our larger rugged HAN industrial connector. So again, we checks the boxes for size and weight.